Welcome to MICRON America, your trusted, leading global partner in quality fastener solutions since 1995. Being founded in the United States and a fully integrated manufacturing plant in Turkey, we bring together European engineering expertise and strict American quality standards under one roof, allowing us to manage every stage of production with precision, care, and consistency. At the heart of our factory lies our tooling department, where advanced CNC vertical machining centers, universal milling and vertical machines craft each die and forming tool to micron-level accuracy. This precision ensures exceptional performance, repeatability, and minimal maintenance, even under high-volume production. Our high-tonnage eccentric presses transform brass, copper, galvanized steel, iron, and marine-grade 304 stainless steel into grommets, eyelets, snaps, and hardware components, all formed in our factory. After shaping, each part is professionally coated and finished through our integrated plating and powder coating lines, delivering both protection and aesthetic appeal. For non-metal applications, our automated injection molding cells manufacture plastic grommets and snaps with high dimensional stability and consistent color quality, ideal for demanding industries. We also offer a complete line of machines, from ergonomic hand tools to manual, pneumatic, hydraulic, and fully automatic eyelet setting systems. Every machine, press, and die is designed and built by our engineers at MICRON America to work together seamlessly, ensuring maximum uptime, minimal setup, and reliable operation on your production floor. Our operations are backed by ISO 9001 certified quality systems and CE mark machinery, meeting global standards and giving you peace of mind with every order. Today, our products are trusted in over 70 countries, supported by technical service and spare parts from both our US and Turkish facilities. At MICRON America, we are not just a manufacturer, we are a long-term partner committed to your success. Whether you require marine-grade stainless steel grommets for extreme environments or cost-effective iron eyelets for retail packaging, we deliver fast, reliable, and high-quality solutions, manufactured entirely in-house, shipped worldwide, and backed by over 3 decades of excellence. MICRON America, precision you can trust, quality you can count on, because quality is our priority.